Hello friends, my name is Suraj and you're watching Dive into Tech, and today I'm going to show you that how do we write into images using Java. Okay, now this is not my part of the tutorial but another video, so stay tuned and let's start the video. Now guys, in order to write into images, first we need to create a new project. This is NetBeans guys, Apache NetBeans 11.2. So let's create a project. Java Maven, Java application. Okay, done. Nice. Let's name it as image. Let's write it as um, write image. Okay, so guys, let's start. Public static void main string arts. Now in order to write into images, first we need to take the path in which the image is stored. So this is my path in which the image is stored. I need to first copy it. I'll right click and copy. Then I will go to this and I'll create a string path is equal to this. Okay, so you can see that I've created a string named path variable in which I've stored the path for the image. Okay, now in order to write into images we need a special syntax which is known as buffered image. Okay, buffered image bf is equal to ImageIo.read new file, sorry, path. Now I'll have to import the libraries. So all my libraries have been imported. Now in order to write into image we need to create another, we can say, a special syntax which is known as graphics. So oh my god, what, how many mistakes do I do in writing? Graphics is equal to pf dot get graphics. So now I have created a, we can say, variable named graphics which will be having all the properties of uh, graphics library. Okay, now I've taken the path for the image. I've created a buffered image syntax, and I've also imported the graphics library. So now all we need to do is write into image. So graphics dot set color. Now this is used to set a color in which we'll be writing to the image. So let's set it to color dot black. Now graphics dot set font. So let's choose Times New Roman and font dot, let's keep it plain. Here we can choose anything. We can choose bold, we can choose italic, and here guys we can choose any type of font which are available in your computer. You can also use Hindi and all the other regional languages such as Spanish and all. Now let's choose the font size. I'll make it as 30. Let's see what's the error here. Method set font in class graphics cannot be applied to given types. Let me see what's the error here. Oh, sorry, I forgot one thing. So guys, now it is okay, the syntax is okay, and I hope it can write. But before that, whatever we write into image, first of all we'll have to get some key which will be writing into image like let's type it as, sorry, string key is equal to my name is dive into tech. So I've created a key, and now here comes the final part, that is graphics dot draw string. Now here will be the key which is already taken by default, and this is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinate. Let me make it as 20, not 20, 10, and here 30. Let's save it, and I hope this should write into the image. Now guys, here actually there's a mistake. The mistake is that in the string path I have chosen the directory actually, not the path of an image. So let's correct it. Let's go to this and rename. I think this might be clear to you because what I've done is uh, initially I've just selected the path, but now I've selected the path for the image. Okay, and here the path is this one. So let's run it. Let's see what's the error. It's running. I hope there would be a lot of errors, more than 100, more than 1000, more than 2000, I hope. So still running. Let's see. Whoa, I've compiled it without an error. That's great. Now let's check. Whoa, wait. I have written into image, but where is the image? I haven't created anything which would output an image. So in order to make an output, we need to get a syntax, and which I'll be writing just now. And the syntax would be image io dot write. It is already taken bf, and the path would be, now guys, this is the path which is of the image. I'll have to create another path. String write underscore path is equal to, I'll copy this whole, and I'll remove this last one because it is the image path. I don't want to overwrite it. Okay, now this is the path for the writing image. I'll just choose that. Sorry. And I'll choose something here like the extension which I'll be using, that will be JPG. Now this is next. Here I missed something, that is new file. So, okay. And the new file will be write path plus image.jpg. So this is okay now, and guys, I'll be giving this entire code in the text file down in the description. You can check that, and if you have missed something, you can go down there and see. Okay, so let's compile it and check. It's compiling, and I hope I don't make an error now. Sorry, mistake now. Why didn't I get anything? It was because I have chosen the path here, and I haven't created anything like where exactly the path should be, because this place has some spaces in it, and there is one more error that I'll have to make it like this so that the image may be copied to this one here. Okay, let's save it and compile down now. Let's see whether it is running now or not. Okay, here we have got the software, and guys, you can see that this is the image 234. And so if we zoom it, then here's the thing which I've just written into the image. My name is Tab into Tech. Let me zoom out and show you. So guys, this is how you can write into an image. Now if you want that if you want an image which should be written into this image, then also you can do that. And let's go down and check that. String new image. So image is equal to, now here I'll be choosing another image which I would be writing into that particular image. So I'll choose this image, this logo.png. This is my logo. Okay, let's rename and copy it. So this is the new image path. And before I write now in order to write an image into another image, we need to initialize this image also. So I'll create the same buffer image bf2 is equal to ImageIo.read new file, new image. So it is okay now. Now in order to write an image into another image, we need to write something special, that is graphics.draw. I forgot the syntax. Draw. Okay, here's the syntax. Graphics.draw image. Now uh, this takes some special arguments, and the first one is, this is the image which I'll be writing to the original image. Now original image is initialized into this graphics, so this is the main image, and this is the secondary image which I'll be writing into that image. Now this is the x and y coordinate in which the image should be placed. Now you can see that, guys, I've written something at 10:30, so I'll be writing this image now at 50, and this will be 70. Now this observer is an image observer, so I'll just set it to null because that is not important. So I hope this should work now. Let's check. It's building image, so it is successful. Now let's go and check. So guys, here you can see that I've written this image into this particular image, and I've also written something that is my name is David to Tech. So this is how, guys, you can write into an image. I'll give the entire syntax, sorry, I'll give the entire whatever I've written in the code down in the description. You can check that. So now, guys, if you really want some more of these kind of videos, then stay tuned, and I'll be uploading some more of these kinds. So that's all, guys. Thank you, and keep watching.